Okay, so this question here, let's have a look at converting. Right, so we want to convert the decimals into fractions, okay, and have them in their simplest form. So let's have a look at B. So with B, we have 6.4. So essentially, I look at this and I write that, well, that's 6 and 0.4. So I look at the 0.4. Let's have a quick look at D. So with D, I have 18.12. So again, I think of this as being, well, that's 18 wholes, and the 0.12, I know 0.12 is 12 hundredths. Okay, now one way of thinking of this is that I have 2 decimal places, which means they're my tenths and they're my hundredths, which means I can write that whole thing. Okay, that whole thing I can write, okay, over 100. Okay, so let's have a look here then, is that I can write, well, that's 18, because that's what that is there. And then what I have a look at now is I see, can I simplify this anymore? Okay, and I can in this instance. I know 4 goes into that 3 times and 4 goes into that 25. So I know that'll be 3 over 25. Okay, let's have a look at H. Okay, so with H, I have 5.192. So again, I look here and I go, well, that's 5 wholes and 0.192. If I look at the number of decimal places, there's 3 decimal places there, which means that is thousandths, right, where I have 3 decimal places. So that would be 192 on 1,000, or thousandths. 96 times. And 2 will go into that 500 times. I can then think, okay, well, I know 2 will go into that again, right, 48 times, okay, and 2 will go into that 250 times. 2 will go into that again if I want, okay, 24 times, and into that 125 times, okay. So what I want to do is I want to have a look at just keeping on simplifying this as much as I possibly can, and I can't really simplify this anymore, right, in terms of there's not a common factor between 24 and 125. So I know in this instance that my answer is 5 and 24 125ths is my answer for that.